Hello and welcome to DS Computer Education special travel vlog. On December 21, 2024, we set out an exciting one-day winter tour from Udaipur to Mount Abu. This trip was packed with adventure, learning and moments we will cherish forever. Let's take you along on this incredible journey. The day started bright and early as we boarded the bus. The excitement was palpable and the journey began with music, dance and lot of laughter. At DS Computer Education, we don't just focus on studies. We believe in creating memories and bonding through experiences. That's why every year we make it a ritual to organize at least one tour, a chance to learn and grow beyond the classroom. Traveling together allows us to connect, share joy, and strengthen our bond. It's not just a trip, it's a celebration of life and learning. After all, some lessons can't be taught in lecture, they are experienced in moments like this. This was a moment to pause and reflect on the beauty of the world around us. Traveling teaches us to appreciate these wonders and remind us of the importance of stepping out of our daily routines. Traveling isn't just about visiting places, it's about creating moments like this. It reminds us to slow down and enjoy the journey and appreciate the little things in life. Travel teaches us resilience and perspective. It's not always what you miss out, but what you gain along the way. At DS Computer Education, we believe that traveling is an essential part of personal growth. It broadens our horizon, teaches us life lessons, and strengthens our bond. That's why our annual tour is more than a tradition. It's a way to inspire learning and joy outside the classroom. A huge thank you to our founder Bhavesh Patidar for making this trip possible and for always encouraging us to embrace life fully. Our first stop was Guru Shikhar, the highest peak of the Aravalli range. The climb was an adventure and the view from the top was absolutely breathtaking. Standing amidst the cloud, we felt the power of nature and the serenity it brings. After spending 20 to 25 minutes at the top soaking in the breathtaking views, we decided to start our descent as hunger began to take over. Climbing Guru Shikhar had been a challenging yet rewarding experience, but little did we know that the journey down would be just as tough. Each step required focus and balance, and our legs are already feeling the strain from the uphill climb. Despite the difficulty, the thought of hearty meal waiting for us at the bottom kept us motivated. The descent may have tested our endurance, but it also gave us time to reflect on the incredible experience of conquering this majestic peak. Next, we visited the iconic Delwada Jain Temple, but we are unable to take clips of that moment. After a morning full of exploration, we stopped for lunch, and let me tell you, the food was amazing. Fresh, flavorful, and exactly what we needed to recharge for the rest of the day. Good food, great company, and endless laughter made this meal unforgettable. Our next stop was Sunset Point. Unfortunately, we got delayed and missed the sunset. But as they say, the journey is more important than the destination. The joy of being together, the stories we shared, and the memories we created were far more valuable than catching the perfect sunset. The students are full of excitement on their winter tour, eagerly waiting to witness the serene beauty of Nakki Lake. The chilly breeze and scenic surrounding have added to their joy as they anticipate peaceful moments by the lake, boat rides, and creating unforgettable memories with friends. As we visited the serene Nakki Lake, the calm water and beautiful surrounding made for a perfect evening stroll. Though we couldn't enjoy boating due to time constraint, the walk itself was peaceful and gave us time to connect with nature. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep growing.